To buy Ethereum using Revolut, start by opening the Revolut app and navigating to the cryptocurrency section. Here you will find a list of available cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum. Before proceeding, ensure you have a sufficient balance in your Revolut account to cover the cost of the Ethereum you want to purchase. First, tap on Ethereum to view its current price and other relevant details. Revolut will display the current market price of Ethereum, as well as any fees associated with the transaction. It is essential to review these fees before proceeding, as they can affect the overall cost of your purchase. Once you are ready to buy Ethereum, enter the amount you want to purchase in the designated field. You can choose to buy a specific amount of Ethereum or invest a fixed amount of money. Revolut will then calculate the equivalent amount of Ethereum based on the current market price. Before confirming the transaction, review the details carefully to ensure everything is correct. Check the amount of Ethereum you are buying, the total cost, and any fees associated with the transaction. If you are satisfied with the details, confirm the transaction to complete the purchase. It is crucial to note that buying Ethereum is subject to market fluctuations, and the value of your investment can go up or down. Therefore, it is essential to do your research, set a budget, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Additionally, consider setting up a stop-loss order to limit your potential losses if the market moves against you. Revolut also offers a recurring buy feature, which allows you to invest a fixed amount of money in Ethereum at regular intervals. This can help you reduce the impact of market volatility and avoid making impulsive investment decisions based on short-term price fluctuations. In conclusion, buying Ethereum using Revolut is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following these tips and being mindful of the risks associated with investing in cryptocurrency, you can make informed investment decisions and potentially benefit from the growth of the Ethereum market.